Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about burner assembly front for Jade Range part number 30000010836. The burner assembly front for Jade Range part number 30000010836 is a replacement part for a Jade Range commercial cooking range. It is the front burner assembly, which includes the burner head, burner cap, and burner base. The burner head is made of cast iron and has 4 ports for gas to flow through. The burner cap is made of stainless steel and has 4 slots for the gas to flow through. The burner base is made of stainless steel and provides support for the other components. This part is designed to provide even heat distribution and consistent performance. This part fixes the following symptoms. Burner assembly front for Jade Range part number 30000010836 can fix the following symptoms: burner not heating properly, burner not lighting flame too low or too high. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by turning off the gas supply to the range. 2. Remove the old burner assembly by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Place the new burner assembly in place and secure it with the screws provided. 4. Connect the gas line to the new burner assembly and turn on the gas supply. 5. Test for leaks by applying soapy water to all connections and checking for bubbles. If there are any bubbles, tighten all connections until they stop forming. 6. Once all connections are secure, light each burner to ensure proper operation before use. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.